Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to the channel in Auto Addiction. It's nice and dark out, as you guys can see, so I wanted to show you these LEDs while it's dark out. Let me get in the van here, fire it up and back it up, and then I want to show you these LEDs since it's actually dark out. It's hard to do a video and film whenever it's dark out, but I'm dying to show you guys LED lights on. Alright, so here's my lower LEDs. So it's like an LED bar they run with my parking lights. So it's pretty sweet. I'll turn on my headlight LEDs. You can see they're super bright. So there's my headlight LEDs. Let me turn on the fog lights, man. These things are super bright. I'm sure it's glaring on the camera a little bit, but so it's definitely like having like a portable sunshine when you're driving at nighttime. So we're gonna get out here on the road. Of course, I'm not gonna drive with the fog lights on because I hate when people drive with their light bars on and blind people. I mean, I got my fog lights aimed like way down, so I could probably point them up a little bit, but just don't want to blind anybody, so. Alright guys, let me know what you think about the lights. That's with my fog lights on. That's when I'm off. Still pretty bright. So, are LED lights worth the hype? I think they are. They're nice bright white light versus the yellow light. And definitely makes visibility a lot better than the yellowish there were some cheaper ones out there. I think I spent about $50 for the pair of them shipped. You know, it's not too bad considering a Sylvania bolt from the auto parts store probably run you $20, $25 a piece. So, you know, you get a pair of them for $50. Plugged right in. The connector was a little loose, so I did put some tape around it just to make sure. So I didn't want them to come undone, but it fit good. They come with little fans on them, so it keeps them cool, I guess. So far so good, man. Also with my steering, it's hard to see at nighttime, but all my steering improvements definitely helped out. You know, I'm barely even moving the steering wheel back and forth to drive down the road versus before, you know, you're kind of all over the place. So she's definitely coming along. If you haven't seen the steering suspension videos, check those out. I'll put a link at the end. Just really wanted you guys to see the LED headlights at nighttime. Sorry this video is so short. Appreciate everybody watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New car is in the works, boys. I've been talking about getting a car for the channel for probably 6 to 8 months now, and you know, now I'm just looking for the right deal. So got some money saved up. Also, I'm gonna be starting a series on the Cutlass. So hopefully in the next week or two I'll start that series. We're gonna be stripping down the Cutlass, getting it ready for paint, setting it out for paint, and then hopefully in the next month or two I'll be getting the OBS Ford back and do a video series on putting that thing back together. So please subscribe to the channel if you like the G bodies, or if you like the old Ford body style. I got a 4-door 97 F250 with a 460 big block in it. So appreciate everybody watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you got any questions. I always try to get back to everybody. So appreciate it again. You guys have a great night. See you guys on the next video.